In this video, we'll go over just what are the coin's fundamentals and what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With a massive rise in crypto popularity, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, just to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. There have also been cases of people buying a monkey JPEG for only $300 and flipping it on the market for over $400,000 just 6 months later. So how can one be sure of an insane return from an investment? By simply looking at a coin's fundamentals, it can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Just? Just is a popular new decentralized finance ecosystem built for the Tron blockchain. It is an entire suite of products that are mostly centered around a decentralized stablecoin lending platform known as Just Stable. The platform launched in August 2020 following an initial exchange offering, IEO, on the Poloniex launch-based platform earlier that same year, but the native governance token of the platform has been circulating since May 2020. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Unlike most other DeFi platforms, Just isn't just looking to offer a single product that offers utility to a small subset of DeFi users. Instead, it's attempting to build an entire suite of products that cover a range of DeFi use cases, forming the foundations of a complete DeFi ecosystem on Tron. As of January 2021, the Just ecosystem consists of 5 distinct products, all of which are designed to interoperate and provide additional utility to users. These are Just Stable, Just's flagship decentralized multi-collateral stablecoin platform. Just Lend, a Tron-powered money market protocol that allows users to add liquidity to lending pools and take out low-interest cryptocurrency loans. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 30 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.